Hello everyone, welcome back to TLT Studio. Today we're going to look at emulator for PC. Alright, I know that there's a lot of emulators out there, however, some of them don't work. BlueStack, it is okay, but it is not, I don't know, for some reason it doesn't work on my computer. Every single time I install BlueStacks, it crashes my system. So I'm not sure what's going on with this emulator. However, I download the software from the website, the official website, but every single time I try to install this emulator, it crashes my system. All right, so the best emulator right now that is out there, that when you download it, it downloads fine, it installs fine, and it works just fine. And I'm going to show you real quick. Alright, so this is my experience with emulators, and also just gaming on the PC. Alright, so the emulator we're going to look at is called LD Player. Alright, hands down, this is one of the best Android emulator for gaming out there right now. Alright, so with this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the installation. However, I'm not going to install it on my system. I'm just going to simply explain how it is installed and how it works, etc. Because this is something that I am currently using and I don't really want to reinstall it. Alright, so I'm just going to show you the ways and so forth. Alright, so first thing, we're going to go to the website, which is LD Player. Alright, LD Player, double click. So we're on the official website, and what we're going to do, we're just going to download it. Alright, pretty much this is very straightforward. This is the LD Player Wiz. They will walk you through every single thing, and they will just show you how to install it. Installs pretty easy. Within 4 to 5 minutes it's installed, right? And then once it is installed, you'll get the icon on your desktop, all right, which you can double click. All right, so this is my LD Player emulator. So as you can see, I've already went ahead and download a few apps on it. All right, so trust me, it works, and that's the beauty of it. All right, that's the beauty of it. So you can open the Play Store, download games, download apps, and so forth. Trust me, it works just like a phone. All right,